के लिए अधिकार छीन लिए जाए तो उसे शासन नहीं तानाशाही कहते हैं।
साफागुरिनि डन बस्को कलेजाव खुंदों जिल्ला थाखोनि बिकसित भारत युथ पार्लामेन्ट जथुम खुंदों। चिरां जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय मोनद' कलेजफोरनि फरायसाफोरा बाहागो लादों बे बादायलायनाय जथुमाव। साफागुरि डन बस्को कलेज, काजलगावनि UN कलेज, बिजनी कलेज, रानीखाता कलेज, खैला मैला मडेल कलेज आरो बेंटल कलेजनि फरायसाफोरा बाहागो लाफैदों बे पार्लामेन्ट जथुमाव। जौगा भारत दाफुंनाय लाइमोनफोरखौ बाहागो लाहोनो आरो लाइमोनफोरनि बिबुंथि लाखिनायनि गोहो आरो साहसखौ बांहोनो थाखाय हादरनि गुबुन गुबुन सोलोंथाइ फसंथानफोराव बिकसित भारत युथ पार्लामेन्ट जथुम खुंनाय बायदिनो दिनै बङाइगाव साफागुरियाव थानाय डन बस्को कलेजाव 50 years of emergency lessons for India democracy आयदानि सायाव मोनसे बादायलायनाय जथुम खुंनाय जालाङो। मख'नाय जायोदि हादरनि 18निफ्राय 25 बोसोर बैसोनि लाइमोनफोरखौ हादर दानायाव बाहागो लाहोनाय, नोगोरारि दैदेननायखौ बांहोनाय आरो 2047 मायथाइनि गेजेराव जौगा भारतनि थांखिखौ मदद होनो थाखाय बिथांखिफोरनि सायाव सांग्रांथि लाबोनाय, हादोरारि आयदाफोरनि सायाव सावरायनो थाखाय संसदारि मावफारियाफोरनि फारसे रोंगौथि बांहोनाय, लाइमोनफोरनि नोजोरखौ खान्थि बानायगिरिफोरनि सिगाङाव लाबोनाय बायदि थांखिजों भारत सरकारनि लाइमोन आरो गेलेमु बिफाननि बानजायनायाव दासान्दि हादरनाङै गुबुन गुबुन सोलोंथाइ फसंथानफोराव बिकसित भारत युथ पार्लामेन्ट 2026 मावथांखिजों बादायलायनाय हाबाफारि खुंगासिनो थानायखौ नुनो मोन्दों। बेबायदिनो दिनैबो बङाइगाव साफागुरियाव थानाय डन बस्को कलेजनि बानजायनायाव पार्लामेन्ट जथुमाव जायफोर लाइमोन फरायसाफोरा सायख'जागोन बिसोरखौ रायजो थाखोसिम लांनाय जागोन आरो जायफोरा रायजो थाखोनि बादायलायनायाव सायख'जागोन बिसोरो गोदान दिल्लीनि पार्लामेन्टसिम थांनायनि खाबुखौ मोननो हागोन।
के लिए अधिकार छीन लिए जाए तो उसे शासन नहीं तानाशाही कहते हैं। Greetings to the members of the House and Speaker, sir. I am Aisha Basudari representing Don Bosco College, Saffaguri. I rise today to speak about the darkest constitutional chapter of independent India, the emergency imposed by the Indian National Congress by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Let us not dilute history. After the Allahabad High Court declared her elections invalid, the response was not resignation. The response was suspension of democracy, suspension of fundamental rights, Article 19 being suspended, leaders of the oppositions being jailed. The ADM Jabalpur case, where even the right to life had no meaning. But honorable members, the emergency is not remembered as the mistake of one party, but as to how democracy survives at the present. Last time, the media hid the truth because it was forced to do so. Today, the newspapers are used to wrap sanitary pads in the market, just like how they hid the truth against the society. Last time, the voices were jailed. Today, the voices are labeled. Ask the question to the government. You are anti-national. Demand accountability. You are against the nation. And while we are busy debating about Hindus and Muslims, this community and that community, the real issues of the nation are silenced. Issues. Why is education more expensive and opportunities being limited? Why does the farmer still struggle? Why are the prices of goods and services rising every day? The greatest lesson of emergency was not the imposition of 1975, ladies and gentlemen. It was the defeat in 1977. When the citizens of India proved that the most powerful government can fall before a simple vote. Satta asatyai hai, Samvidhan satyai hai. So today, ladies and gentlemen, 50 years later, our responsibility is not to look back in anger, but to look forward with alertness. Whenever media forgets its duty, remember 1975. Whenever accountability is termed as anti-national, remember 1975. Because democracy does not collapse in one dramatic moment, ladies and gentlemen. It dies when people stop questioning or are forced to remain silent. India is not the property of any government, ladies and gentlemen. I repeat, India is not the property of any government. India is the voice of its own people. Jai Hind. Thank you.